We up in the Philippines, any questions all you do is ask. You can get it right from Sass in the Philippines.
Good morning, guys. We are in Thailand. Corey and I are trying to go to the Chatuchak Market, which we have to go to the Mochi station. So we are trying to catch the Sky Train, or what they call the BTS. Wish us luck. Alright, guys, Corey and I just got off that train right there, the Sky Train, Mochi City. Alright, so now we are trying to go to the market. It's the weekend market. I think it's only open on the weekend, you said, Corey? And what is it called again?
Chatuchak.
Chatuchak. Alright, so, boy, hold on, guys. Boy, my camera, yeah, we're gonna walk down there, so we'll check back with you in just a second. Alright, guys, we are walking to the Chatuchak, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, to the market. So, of course, we had to take the Sky Train to Mochi Station, and it is hot. Thought the Philippines were hot, but I think, no, you know what it is? The humidity. I think there's more humidity here in Thailand than it is in the Philippines. So looking at some street vendors already. Cold water looks good. So it looks like this is the beginning of the market, perhaps. So we're gonna look around. If we see anything exciting, we will let you know. Oh yeah. This is the market. All kind of activities going on. So this is the weekend market, Chatuchak, which only opens on the weekend. Which the guys at the hotel said this is the one that they really recommend, because yeah, they got vendors all the way down. So we're gonna check it out, and we'll record anything. Thank you. That sounds delicious. We're not gonna eat yet, but anyway. All right, we're gonna keep walking. All right, guys. Not you. No, thank you. Maybe later. Thank you. And guys, if you can, learn the language if you're gonna stay here long term. Yeah. And across the street, I'm only looking at one side here, so. And I think we're in the main market now, guys. Everywhere. Oh yeah. Let's see.
That's a massage. 150 baht. That's a massage.
I ain't gonna do that here, dude. Excuse me. So clothes and shoes and just about any and everything that you can think of is in the market. about this mango sticky rice, which is very popular here in Thailand. So that's what she is about to get. Now I think I'm gonna get me one of these juices over here. I'll eat some of her mango sticky rice anyway, so I'm not worried about it. I'll dip it and get it in. You got all kind of people walking in and out.
ไม่ต้องหวานมากนะพี่นมข้นไม่ต้องใส่นะพี่เอาใส่แค่น้ำธรรมดามีคนเขารู้อะไรแต่เขาเก่งที่ไหน
And she and that mango sticky rice. Actually cold mango sticky rice. There's the menu. Mango sticky rice. Looks great. How does it taste?
You need to try it and sit down.
Masarat. And Tagalog, of course. Oh, like the flower.
It's so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
Nice. All right, say that one more time.
Hey guys, this is the sticky rice with mango and ice cream on top.
Mm-hmm.
It cost me only 90 baht.
Oh, so it's only 90 baht?
Yep.
Okay.
And
All
it
right.
was really good. It's 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. All right, that's strong numbers. All right, guys, Cora is about to order. Looks like some pork balls. Pork meatballs. There you go. And I think it's like 35 baht. As you can see, they are cooking right there in the big pot. And here she goes. All right, there's the test. Another thumbs up. All right, of course.
I use only my change. They give me back more money.
Really?
It's a bit spicy.
Spicy?
Not spicy, spicy.
Let me see the name. Price. Oh, there's the price list. You're right, they are spicy. 7 for 35, 11 for 50. All right. Catch a tuk-tuk. Catch a tuk-tuk.
Let's go in the park so that we can see.
And the sky dream. Look what it is.
Chatuchak Sass in the Philippines.